progress begins where communities choose to lead. Today, the all-new MEV XL is being trialled at East Goscote Parish Council, demonstrating how compact electric vehicles can support the essential services that keep communities running every single day. From grounds maintenance and facilities management to estates, parks, deliveries, and countless other applications, the MEV XL combines zero-emission performance, lower running costs, extended range, and impressive payload all in one versatile electric platform. Built for today's work, ready for tomorrow's communities. This is the all-new MEV XL range.